Good morning, dear children. Today we will discuss about application of Faraday law of magnetic induction. Children, what happens when the magnetic flux passing through a coil change continuously? Yes, when there is a continuous change of magnetic flux passing through a coil, a current is generated in the coil. Yes, the process is used in induction stove, security checking, entrance or exit, mm, ATM card scanners. Children, first we will discuss about during security check. Uh, we had observed in many places. Uh, People are made to walk all through a large upright coil of wire which produce a weak AC, alternating current. So, this is the magnetic field. If we are carrying any significant quantities of iron, the magnetic flux linked with the large coil changes and the induced current generated in coil triggers an alarm. So, we had observed in shopping malls, VIP areas, hmm, many areas we observed in railway stations, in bus stations. We had observed in many places. See here, children, this is the security checking door. Whatever it is, checking door or metal detector. See here, this is the metal detector. See here. We already known ATM cards, how to work in ATM cards. So, we will discuss about ATM cards. The principle of electromagnetic induction in case of using ATM cards. When the magnetic strip is swiped through a scanner. Science is developed, so we cards in swiping cards in many ways. How could we use the principle of electromagnetic induction in case of using ATM card? When it's a magnetic strip is swiped through a scanner. So, children, uh, what is this? This is the magnetic strip. So, children, if the card moved through a card reader, then a change in magnetic flux is produced in one direction, which induced potential or EMF. The current received by pickup coil goes signal amplification and translated into binary code so that it can be read by computer. Children, you know how ATM work? Another daily life application is tape recorder. The tape recorder which we use to listen songs or record voice work on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It consists of piece of plastic tape coated with travel iron oxide and is magnetized more in some part than others. When the tape is moved touching a small coil of wire head of the tape recorder, the magnetic field produced by the tape changes, which leads to generation of current in the small coil of wire. So, the small current converted into sound by speaker. Thus, the voice will be reproduced from the tape of a tape recorder. So, another application is induction stove. Works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. A metal coil is kept just beneath the cooking oil. It carries AC current, so that AC produce an alternating magnetic field. When you keep a metal pan on with water on it, the varying magnetic field beneath it crosses the bottom surface of the pan, and EMF is induced in it. So, children, induced EMF produces induced current in the metal pan. The pan has a finite resistance. The flow of induced current produces heat in it. The heat is conducted to the water. The way induction stove works, and water will be heated. See, yes, children, this is the coil. See, this is the way of induction stove work. So another applications of Wardella useful in generation of current. According to the law, the change in magnetic flux induced EMF in the coil. Electromagnetic induction is a base for generator which produces electric current. Transformers also work in the principle of electromagnetic induction, which is useful in transmission of electricity. So, other than this electric bell, metro trains, etc. are also used in the principle of electromagnetic induction. So, children, this is the transformer. So, this is the iron coil. So, this is the generator dynamo. So, children, how do you appreciate the relation between magnetic field and electricity by changing the lifestyle of mankind? Yes, very good. Changing life of mankind is a result of many inventions utilizing the lot of scientific principles. Scientists are always going to searching for new principles and new applications, make our life more comfortable. So the idea of Eirsted and Faraday, the current carrying wire produce electricity, electromagnetic induction enable us to use electric motor, generator, fans, um, grinders, induction stoves. All these appliances makes our life more comfortable. So Faraday and Eirsted a lot of service in this field.